I'm going to show you how to make real, authentic Vietnamese pho at home. If you've ever wanted to recreate that deep, aromatic, restaurant-quality pho, this quick and easy guide will show you exactly how. Perfect for beginners and home cooks looking to master one of the most iconic Vietnamese dishes. Simply follow these step-by-step instructions. To start, we are going to make our own aromatic broth. Place down a large pot, fill with water. Then add the following: 1 large onion, halved, 1 piece of ginger, sliced down the center, 3 meaty beef bones, 1 large beef brisket, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon fish sauce, 10 star anise, 4 cinnamon quills, 4 cardamom pods, 3 cloves, 1 tablespoon ground coriander seeds. I said 1 tablespoon. That's enough. Stop! That's way too much. You ruined it. Start over. Fill with water, onion, ginger, beef bones, beef brisket, salt, fish sauce, star anise, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, 1 tablespoon ground coriander seeds. That's enough! You ruined it again! Water, onion, ginger, beef bones, beef brisket, salt, fish sauce, star anise, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, 1 tablespoon ground. Stop! What is wrong with you? Water, onion, ginger, beef bones, brisket, salt, fish sauce, star anise, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, 1 tablespoon. Stop! Water, onion, ginger, brisket, salt, fish sauce, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, 1 tablespoon ground coriander seeds. Thank you. Stop! What is wrong with you? Water, ginger, brisket, fish sauce, cardamom. Just put in 1 tablespoon for Christ's sake. Just a little bit more. A tiny bit more. Water, salt. Don't add the coriander. Don't add it. No, stop. It's perfect as is. Thank you. Add egg. Mix. Simmer for 3 hours on medium heat. Remove from heat. In a bowl, add your noodles, sliced beef, then pour on the broth we just prepared. Garnish with fresh red chili, bean sprouts, fresh mint, lime wedge, fresh coriander, and finally, Thai basil. Wow, it looks so good. You've made restaurant-quality pho in the comfort of your own home. This is as authentic as it comes. Now all that's left to do is serve and enjoy.
Mm.